so jumping right in, I'm going to be starting off with primer, and I'm using my E.L.F. Poreless Face Primer today. And I didn't moisturize on camera just because I've done it in the last 2 videos. So the next thing you're going to see me doing is wiping off any excess product that may have gotten in my brows just for a smoother application. And today I'm going to be using my Kiss Top Brow in Ebony Brown. So what you're seeing me do right here after I get the product on there is pinching the brush, because I've noticed that when I do that, I just get a really sharper application. And I will admit that it was a struggle doing my brows on camera today, just because my brows aren't the best. You know, I'm always switching up my routine, but I figured why not, you know, put myself out there, just put the brows in the video. Dipping into my trusty concealer palette, I'm using that first color for the bottom of my brow and the second for the top, just because it's a little bit closer to my actual skin tone. So I'm going to apologize right now for some things that may annoy you throughout this video, because I know for a fact that they annoyed even me. My mirror and my long claws kind of got in the way of my face sometimes, and the lighting was changing a lot throughout this video. I'm still trying to figure all that lighting and technical issues out, but I promise I'll get it in check just so it's not an issue anymore. Now I'm going in with my E.L.F. liquid liner, and as you can see, I'm not a eyeliner kind of person, so I was really trying hard to focus on not messing up. And as far as the eyes today, I feel like the whole Instagram baddie thing, you know, is about being simple while simultaneously doing the most. So while I did do a look on my eyes, I didn't actually do an eyeshadow look. Now I'm going in with this black from my Juvia's Place Sahara palette, just placing it on top of the liquid eyeliner I put down. And if you want your eyeliner to be really black, matte, and stand out, this is the way to go, because it really just makes it pop. Now going in with my Ardell Faux Mink Wispies. I actually never tried these before, and I really like them. I did stack them on top of each other though, just so they could be more dramatic, because you know, Instagram baddies are paid to be dramatic. As far as foundation today, I'm going to be using my black Opal foundation stick. And even though I do love this foundation, when I think of Instagram, of course, you think of pictures. And when I know I'm taking pictures and I'm going out and I want to look good, I use my Fenty Beauty foundation. But I couldn't use it in this video because I had ran all out. And even though this foundation photographs beautifully, the Fenty foundation just so happens to photograph better. What you see me applying now is my L'Oreal True Match Liquid Glow Illuminator in golden. And y'all, okay, I did mean to put it down before the foundation, I just forgot, but it blended out so flawlessly it really didn't even matter. So after this, I'm gonna go in with just one more layer of that foundation stick. And to be honest, I'm probably going to start using these two products together more often, because this is the best this foundation has ever looked on me. And that's saying a lot, because I use it all the time. So now I'm taking my Real Techniques body blender, and as you can see, I was very happy to have a new one, and I'm blending out my foundation even further with this. Now I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn just to highlight and conceal, and you will be shocked to know that I only use one concealer in this video today. Like I said before, this makeup look is all about being simple while being extra, so I only used one concealer. Shocking, yes, I know. Now y'all know how I do, you know how I does or whatever. I'm taking this NYX concealer palette and using that dark shade to contour, and I tried to be light-handed because I didn't want the contour being so extra it took away from anything else on the face today. If I said it once, I said it 1,000 times. This is a very important step. Hunty, blend your contour and your highlights together with your foundation brush. Okay? Okay. Of course, I'm using my Airspun translucent powder and setting my whole face today. And then I'm going to be going back into this Black Radiance contour kit and just setting that contour very, very lightly, very delicately. Now, because I'm extra and I need glitter and color in my life to live, I'm taking this hot pink out my Beige Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette and running it along my under eye, my waterline. I don't know, whatever it's called, that's where I'm putting it. Now I'm going into another Beige Cosmetics product, and this is the 10 Color Nude Blush Palette. And then I'm going to be spraying my face with my Mario Badescu just to melt all those powders I just put on my face together. Now I'm taking these two shades out of my Makeup Revolution Ultra Pro Glow Palette, and I'm just packing on highlighter because, you know what, that's just what we do.
Oh, I'm going to do that anyway. I'm going to do that anyway because that's how I am.
Now I'm going into my Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in Crown of My Canopy, and if you know me, you know Precious Petals is actually my jam, but I can't find it, and I'm just gonna stop talking about it because it's gonna make me upset. Now I'm going in with that same palette and using that pink shade in my inner corner. And then I'm taking these two NYX lip glosses, and I'll be real, okay? They're actually lip plumpers, and you know, of course I don't need a lip plumper. I just like the way they look, and I low-key, high-key like the way it feels. It kind of gives you like a tingling, kind of burning sensation. Yeah. But I'm using the clear one first, and then I'm going to use the one in the shade Jessica because it kind of has a holographic look that looks good on top of the clear gloss. When love comes in, just brushing out my hair because, you know, baddies don't wear tangle wigs. And this is actually the Bishi LXLP wig from Sam's Beauty. I cut it into the bob myself, and I'll link it down below. And then I'm just gonna pop in this little fake nose ring just for an added touch. And that is it for the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, all that before you leave, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.